How to delete channel in Soundation. First of all, open your project in Soundation and make sure you are in the studio view where all your channels are visible on the left hand side. Each channel represents a different sound or instrument you have added to your track. Next, identify the channel you want to delete. Click on the name of the channel or the area where the instrument or sound is displayed to make sure it's selected. After selecting the channel, right-click on it. A menu will pop up with different options, and from there, choose the Delete Channel option. Once you click that, the selected channel will be removed from your project instantly. If you have mistakenly deleted the channel, you can undo this action using a redo button from the top bar. Moreover, you can also re-add a new channel later through the Add Channel button at the top. Also, remember that deleting a channel will remove any sound clips or effects applied to that channel. So it's a good idea to double check if you have saved any version of your work before making changes. And that's it. Now you know how to delete channels in Soundation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.